Hey, welcome back, folks. I'm Janet Hall, your trainer, and today I'm going to show you how to insert a table into a WordPress page or a post. And what I want to do is I want to take these two products and their buy now buttons and have them live side by side. I really wanted to demonstrate a plugin called Advanced WP Columns. However, when I installed it and went to use it, I had forgotten you can only put text in it and not the images. I did try to manipulate and get a workaround on that, but it didn't work. I looked at some other plugins and some short codes, but I just couldn't get the look and feel that I wanted. So I decided to go with tables, even though I'm not crazy about using the regular tables that are offered in WordPress. But let's go ahead and try it and see how it looks. So over here on my content editor, we have a little table with a pencil. It says Inserts a New Table. So I'm going to click on that. And I want two columns. And I do want two rows. And I'm going to put a little padding in there, probably about 5. And my alignment I want to put in the center, although I have found a lot of times the alignment does not work. And I don't want a border around it at all. I'm not going to set any class to it. Let's do align center just in case. I'm not going to do a table caption. Let's go look at advanced. Nothing here I really want to change. And I'm going to go ahead and click insert. So I have 2 rows, 2 columns. Okay, so I'm gonna. I actually like to maybe put a couple, junky words in there just to have it kind of stay open. And I'm gonna click on this image and drag it up there. All right, and now I'm gonna go do the next one right here. I'm gonna click and drag, and now I can go get rid of these funny little words. The little letters, they're not really words, the letters I put in there. All right, now I need to bring these up here. Now I have found in the past a lot of times when you copy and paste from this visual PayPal stuff that sometimes it breaks it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my HTML area, and I'm going to go find where it begins. Here's the first PayPal one. I can tell because it says Form Action PayPal. So I'm going to go ahead and copy all of that to the very end of form. Okay? So I'm going to cut it. Okay? And I'm going to come back up here, and I'm still in the HTML view, and you can see how this works in tables. We have a TR, a TD, and there's my first image, short presentation. Then we have another TD, and here's my speaker one, okay? And so then we have NTR. Here's my next one, and see there's nothing in there between the two TDs right here. So I'm going to put the code I just copied right in here. Okay, now I've got to do my second button. So I'm going to come down here, and here's where it begins, right here. I'm going to copy all of that, cut it. I'm going to come back up here, and I'm going to look for my next TD, which I might have actually, here it is, right there. It's right there. And we're going to paste that in. And now let's go look at it. There we go, finally. So I have my 2 images, my Buy Now buttons, and I really want these centered. So let's see if I can get those to center. No, I'm going to have to go put a little code in, it looks like. So let me go do that. So I'm in the HTML view of the page, and right before where it has the form, okay, right in here. Just make sure I'm in the right spot. Well, I'm at the end here, so I'm just going to go ahead and add my end one because I know I need an end one. So that's the caret /center caret. Now I got to go get my beginning and put that in for the center. And let me find where that is. Okay, that should be right here. This is the beginning. Caret, center, caret. Now let's go look at that in the visual. There we go, folks. So I've got my two images. I've got my Buy Now buttons, and they are centered. Let's go update this page. And we'll go see if it worked for us. Hopefully I've measured everything correctly, and hopefully everything fits. There we go. Now I always want to click and make sure the buttons are working. Ah, we got an error. Well, we have decrypt the certificate ID. So I'm going to have to go see what that's about. But you get the point of how we can go and put in a simple little table, and we can put in our images, and we can put in our Buy Now buttons. Let me go ahead and test this one while I'm here. Probably with moving all the code around, I messed something up, but that's okay. Now that I have my table set up, I'll just go redo the code again. Oops, I'm in the wrong place to try to buy now. Okay, let's go here. And I got an error. So here's what I'm going to do, and here is a good advice for you. Whenever you copy code from PayPal or anything else and you put it in your notepad or your other text editor, always make sure you save it so you don't have to log in or go find it again. And so that's what I'm going to do, and then I'll reinsert the code again and make it centered, and then I will test it. So thanks for being with me on this challenging thing of wanting to try columns, and that didn't work, so I had to end up doing a table. So I hope you enjoyed today's lessons, and I hope you'll come back and take some more lessons from me. Live training is always a lot of fun, and so I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Well, folks, this concludes today's video lesson, and I sure hope you found what you were looking to learn. For more information about my services as a trainer, virtual webmaster, and web developer, please visit YouGottaLookAtThis.com and be sure to sign up for our blog post notifications so you'll never miss another lesson. I'm your trainer, Janet Hall. Thank you for joining me today, and until next time, keep on learning.